If you want to dance like a pro, you need rhythm. Timing. Balance. And alignment. But what if you want to be happy, healthy, successful? Could you use principles of rhythm? Timing, balance, and alignment to dance your way through life.
It's been amazing working with Tudor because he just has this vision of how to blend things very nicely into one business.
I just work a lot and I love working. But this whole program did help me a lot to actually slow down and enjoy the times with my girlfriend. And
I'm extremely grateful for this life-changing experience that I've had with Tudor. Thank you so much.
Thank you for helping me unlock what was always there, but I was afraid to actually see it and to vocalize it.
So I signed up and I was very, very fortunate to work with him in this capacity. Just an amazing coach.
I have been able to stop taking 3 prescription medications already by using natural supplements and movement. My stomach issues are gone and I have decreased my pain level from arthritis in my back and knees.
Was quite an amazing experience to learn these things with Tudor and to learn how just simple little things of just changing a little vitamin can make such an amazing difference in your life.
He's not one of these gurus that wants to sit up on the mountain and tell you what to do. He seems to want to do life with you. And I think personally, if you can have a coach that wants to do life with you, you can't get any better than that.
Born from over 16 years and over $100,000 of experiences in biohacking, professional athletics, life coaching, and personal growth, Dance Your Way Through Life is a timeless resource on everything from wellness and anti-aging strategies to mastering your mind and fulfilling your unique life purpose. The 780-page textbook features over 1,600 scientific references, step-by-step action plans on how to heal your body, mind, and soul, information from over 150 expert podcast interviews, and several authentic, truly life-changing stories that will both inspire and entertain you through a genuine but politically incorrect voice. On top of all that, the book comes with some amazing additional resources to really help you crush your goals in the coming weeks, months, and years. If you're a biohacker or you just want to learn how to optimize your health, register for the Body Hacker Basics Masterclass and get instant access to over 25 video lessons on diet, nutrition and supplementation, oral care, sleep, aging, and more to help you align your body for optimal health and vibrant living. And if you want to get on the fast track to success, join the Align Your Life 30-Day Challenge and get lifetime access to exclusive courses and programs, along with one-on-one coaching for an intense and action-packed transformational journey that will empower you to reach your dreams and soar beyond them. Hurry though, spots for this exciting program are limited, so click the link below to get started.